Hello, sir. Are you ready to order?
Do you have cauliflower pizza?
What is that?
Cauliflower pizza, like the fruit or vegetable.
Cauliflower? No. We don't have cauliflower over here. No.
Do you have anything that's healthy? Because everything that's on here is so junky.
Well, I mean, if you want to start healthy, I think the best one is the deep fried pizza hot dog on a stick.
I'll show you how to make healthy and good pizza.
Healthy and good? Those don't even fit in the same sentence.
Yes, they do. First, we're gonna grate 2 cups of cauliflower. But before that, we have to remove the stems and cut it into small pieces so it is easier to grate. Here. That's there. Now it's ready to grate. Put the cauliflower into a bowl. Now we're going to measure 2 cups and put it into the other bowl. Okay, that's around 2 cups. Now, we are going to put it on a pan. Let's put it in the pan. Let's put it on medium-high heat. Now let's leave it for 10 minutes so all the moisture evaporates. While it's cooking, let's break an egg, put it into a bowl. And beat it. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now we're going to add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Let's mix it a bit. Once the cauliflower is cooled down, we'll add it to the mix. We have a pan, and we're going to add a sheet of parchment paper on top, and this is where we're going to shape the cauliflower pizza. Add the cauliflower. And let's mix it. Now that it's all mixed, let's put it onto the parchment paper. So now let's shape it. You have to really use your hands in this step. Around 1/4 inch thick, because if it's too thin, then it'll get burnt, and too thick isn't good either. Okay, all ready to put in the oven. Now we're going to put it into the oven, which is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook it for 20 minutes. While the cauliflower base is baking, we're going to prepare our toppings. So you can use any toppings you want. We're using onions, spinach, bell pepper, tomato sauce, and mozzarella cheese. Let's cut the spinach, the onion, now the bell pepper. The crust is almost ready. Now we're gonna take the cauliflower base out of the oven and let it cool down for a bit. Now we're gonna add the tomato sauce and toppings. Now we're gonna add the cheese and toppings. Now let's add the onions on one side. Less is more when it comes to pizza toppings. Now let's add the bell peppers. And pickled jalapenos. And some spinach. Now we're gonna add some more cheese. Wow, it looks and smells amazing. But wait, it's not done yet. We have to put it in the oven again for 10 minutes. Now that's an oven. Close it and set a timer for 10 minutes. Now the pizza is ready and we're gonna rest it on a rack. Once it's on the rack, we'll let it cool down for a few minutes.
You thought you could make a cauliflower pizza? So dumb.
I'm done my pizza.
Well, that does look kind of good.
And it tastes good, and I'm going to eat it now.
Wait. Can I just have a piece, one piece? Just to see how
I
bad
thought
it
you
is.
said it. Oh, okay, sure. You'll realize that's actually really good.
I'm ready. It's gonna be disgusting. That's delicious. You know what? I'm gonna go get my manager and I'm gonna go fire him and become the new manager so we can start our new brand of cauliflower pizzas.
Yum, this is so good.